today's event, we've got Market Dojo, SpendHQ, Esker and Genpact together to talk about AI.
It's here at Chelsea Football Ground. It's a set of like-minded procurement professionals really looking and discussing in some depth the impact of AI in procurement.
We've got 3 solution providers leading in their market and a consultancy who have been working in AI for some time now to come together and talk about what AI might have in store for procurement and finance in the future.
So it's going to be really good discussion, a lot of opinions from some major global customers.
So I think when you bring the community together, we have different people with different vantage points. We have some technologists who are kind of immersed in the detail. We've got some skeptics and some real evangelists. So very interesting to bring those people together and have a very healthy discussion about the topic.
Today was a really great day. Lots of discussions on AI and procurement, lots of discussions about innovation versus cost savings and where different businesses are at. Really interesting to see other different businesses compared to our own and how we can develop in that journey.
I found it a real good opportunity to meet people and to also talk about artificial intelligence in a way that was kind of a non-judgmental environment. It was great to be able to talk to people in a way of talking about all the things that we're curious about.
It was really interesting to have a lot of my peers in the industry, across industries, talking about how they perceive AI, and I was reassured to find that a lot of people are in a similar position as myself.
It was a good day. It was thought-provoking. I think that the roundtable discussions were really interesting and gave me an opportunity to really understand the subject a little bit more and how we can potentially use it in the future.
And great to see that there's so many people thinking about it. I think we're in the acceptance phase now, and it's really interesting to see what's going to happen in 2024.
I need to talk within my business to evaluate how everybody else, particularly in the finance departments, are approaching AI, whether they've got any particular tactics around that. I'm keen to see where the value can be added by using AI.
It's early days, early stages. We're very cautious as procurement individuals, and using the technology in the right way is a big concern.
So that's one of the biggest takeaways for me. The reason people are afraid of AI is they don't really know how it applies to their roles and what it means in terms of soft skills.
There's a lot of people in that exploratory phase, and what I'm going to do is network with those people after this event to almost follow up on what are they doing in their organisations and almost create a bit of a group around this. I think one of the biggest things that we've got to face into in 2024 is what does actually AI mean for procurement teams, and I don't think we can work that out within silos. We've got to do that as a profession.
I think that my big takeaway is, look at it carefully. It is coming, it's there, and we have to use it. We need to embrace that.
I do believe it's one of those topics that in 10 years' time, we're going to look back and see the change that it's delivered, and I think it will be very significant. So I think there's a lot of things to take away from today.
Yeah, definitely food for thought. A lot to think about what we want to have in our business and what's right for our team. I think that's been a really good theme today. It's like how the team slots into AI and how the AI slots into the team, like the emotional intelligence and the artificial intelligence working together to create a really strong procurement team.
And actually this is just the beginning, it's just the onset of that journey, managing change, adding some efficiencies, but more importantly, not being afraid and embracing the opportunity.
Absolutely, very exciting time to be procurement.